Alright, in this short video tutorial, we're going to give you an insight on Finale and how to change your note values, or not note values, but your page layout settings rather. I'm going to go down to Page Layout Tool. And we're going to go Page Layout menu will come up right here. I'm in Finale 26. And then we're going to say Resize Staff System. And we can go 150% in this little and resize system, blah, 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 right? Keep everything else the same. And the reason we're going to do this is because I want also to do letters on the notes in Finale. And how we do that is we go to Staff, which is that treble clef looking tool right there. And we go Notation. We can Control click. And these are for note heads. You can do that. Or you can do Apply Finale Alpha Note names to that measure. If you want to do it to the whole thing, you're going to have to select the entire piece. And it's being a little slow this morning, but we will make it. Right click. And make sure you're not on the pointer tool. Make sure you're on the staff tool. Control, click. Apply Finale lettering. Or apply Finale note names, alpha. So that's how you do that. You actually resize the staff, and then you put the note names in there by right-clicking or command or control clicking the staff tool. In the staff menu, it'll say Apply Staff, Apply Alpha Notes to Finale Note Heads. And you just click that and it'll apply it to your whole score. Make sure that everything is selected when you do this. Otherwise, you'll have some trouble getting them all in there. But that is it for this short tutorial. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment below, and I will see you later.